I know, they told me. Instead of kicking it. Well, I give you the time tour. Earl Stanley Gardner. Every evening I load up the top of my car. My end of the name. I'm going to quit for it, yeah. Next question. Brooks, how long have you been librarian? Oh, I'm coming on part 5 when they made me librarian in 1912. I don't know. There's some company down there for a change.
Wake up.